folks? How we doing again today? Welcome back to the Griffin Loft. And on today's show, we're going to be doing another outdoor survival multi-tool gear kind of review. And it's another dollar store special, $4 by that company SmartGear. I've already reviewed one of their products. And this one's 8 function in one. It's got pliers, LED light, pliers, wire cutters, Phillips and Flathead screwdriver, bottle opener, knife, and saw blade in one. It's pocket size. It folds up to a keychain, and the actual head for the pliers and the wire cutters is spring loaded. I know that because I can see the spring through the display window in the back. So we're gonna get it on the table and see what's inside the package. Okay guys, so we got the box down on the table here. We'll get into her and see what we got today. This tape won't come off, and then when you want to use it to help get the box open, it lets go right away. Oh well, it didn't say child-proof packaging. It's almost adult-proof packaging. Holy moly. Oh, wow. I didn't notice that with the other one. The other one didn't have a little booklet, but this one has a little booklet. Look at that. That's kind of cool, guys. It talks about how to activate the light and changing batteries and so forth. It gives you care instructions of not to submerge it, keep it clean with a damp cloth, use a mild cleaning solution only if necessary, try and keep it dry at all times, avoid excess moisture because it could cause corrosion, store in a dry location, do not mix old and new batteries, you know, that's standard, and keep away from children, young children. LEDs are very bright, you know, standard. It's actually really well done. It's got some safety features as well as some care instructions, you know, and so forth and so on. So now we're going to get it out of the packaging. There we go. So let's just get it all. So we got saw blade, bottle opener, standard screwdriver, Robbie. That's a really big Robbie. Ooh, that knife's even sharper than the other one. And then that all folds in, nice and neat. And then you got the flashlight, and apparently all you got to do is tighten it down, but apparently mine doesn't work. Unless wow, weird. I mean, it was $4 at the dollar store. I know the one that Matt has works fine. I'll look into that. It's probably, oh, there it is. It does work. You guys can see that. It's just really temperamental. So then it folds in, and then you have pretty serious actually. And they got wire cutters in them there. I don't have any wire, but I might have a decent sized stick here somewhere. Let's see if we can give something to put the clamps on it. There we go. We got the clamps. Clamps. Got a nice thick piece of bamboo here. It might be too thick. It's too thick. Clamps. Oh yeah, it cuts pretty good. Nice and clean. And then apparently they fold inside and the whole thing goes like that, and then it's got a keyring. I mean, that's a big keychain, but it has everything you need, and you know, your light right there, it's easy access. You have access to the knife, nice and neat and easy. See, like all of these come out. See, like you want to use the knife, there you go. And let's see what we can do with it. Yeah, it cuts pretty good. Pretty good, I say. And then, you know, a couple of and you got spring-loaded pliers. So I think that's what we're gonna call for the day here, guys. That's another product by SmartGear from the dollar store, and it was $4. So thanks for liking and watching and subscribing to my videos. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button. It does help, and I greatly appreciate all of the subscribes. If you are liking any of my videos, please give them a thumbs up. It helps a lot. And if you'd like to know anything about my channel, like when it uploads or if there's any new news, just give the bell icon a little tap. And last but not least, guys, remember the most important thing of all, especially in these days and times, don't let the zombies get you. Have a good day, all. Bye for now.